Hi guys, welcome back. Naveed here. Today video we're going to talk about a brand new company and its brand new smartphone Moondrop MIAD 015G. While most phone makers have ditched the headphone jack, the MIAD 01 packs in two of them. Audio electronics specialist Moondrop is making waves with its debut Android smartphone, the MIAD 01. After its initial launch in China, the device is set to enter the US market, bringing a unique proposition for audio enthusiasts. The Moondrop MIAD 01 seems to be inspired by vintage cassette players, offering a unique aesthetic. It weighs just over 200 grams and features a 6.7-inch 1080p OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1920 Hz PWM dimming. Bucking the flat screen trend, the MIAD 01 features a curved edge display with a small, unobtrusive punch hole for the front camera. It's powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7050, a capable mid-range chip offering a balance of performance and efficiency. The MIAD 01 also includes 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. For those needing even more capacity, there's a micro SD card slot supporting expansion up to a massive 2 TB. Moondrop promises solid battery life with the MIAD 01's 5000 mAh battery, specifically claiming up to 27 hours of playback time through the 4.4 mAh output. 33WPD fast charging is also supported. Of course, Moondrop's audio-centric heritage is the MIAD 01's true highlight. Two headphone jacks adorn the top of the device, a standard 3.5mm single-ended jack, and a 4.4mm balance jack, offering greater power for demanding headphones. The phone also incorporates a quad-channel dual Cirrus logic, Master Hi-Fi DAC, boasting impressive specifications, a dynamic range of 132 dB, and a SINAD of 118 dB. These figures rival dedicated portable DACs amps, potentially making the MIAD 01 a superb mobile audio player. The MIAD 01 features a 64MP rear camera setup and a 32MP selfie camera. Solo 12GB 256GB variant of Moondrop MIAD 01 will retail for $399 via select e-commerce partners and authorized stores. That's all. Guys, hope you like this video. If you like, hit like. See you next video. Goodbye.